By now, you've learned how to listen actively, clarify unclear messages, reflect emotional cues, and filter what's most important. This lecture brings it all together into one simple process: listen, confirm, respond. This three-step method helps you stay focused, avoid assumptions, and reply with confidence whether you're in a casual chat or a critical conversation. Objectives of the lecture. By the end of this lecture, you'll be able to use a repeatable framework to manage live conversations. Move from listening to action without rushing or guessing. Confirm your understanding in a clear, natural way. Respond with relevance and clarity based on what you heard. The three-step framework. Step 1. Listen. Give your full, undivided attention. Focus on what truly matters. Filter for the core message, not every word. Pay attention to tone, pacing, and pauses, signals of emotion or hesitation. Mentally hold on to one central idea. Example: someone says, "I'm behind on this project and I know the deadline's tight." You pick up on two things: stress and urgency. Step 2. Confirm. Before reacting, make sure you've understood what they meant. Use clarifying or reflective questions. "So what I'm hearing is," just to double check, "You're saying the timeline is the main concern, right?" These phrases don't signal confusion, prevent miscommunication, they show careful listening and respect. Step 3. Respond. Once you've confirmed, respond directly to what they actually said, not what you assumed they meant. Bad response: "Don't worry, it'll get done," dismisses the concern. Better response: "Sounds like you're stressed about the deadline. Want help breaking down what's left to do?" That kind of reply is clear, supportive, and relevant because it's rooted in what you listened to and confirmed first. Why this framework works. When you follow this method, you avoid assumptions and guesswork. Respond to the real concern, not the surface. Communicate with confidence, clarity, and empathy. This is what strong, real-time communication looks like, especially under pressure.